going on, guys? ChuckCatch'EmAll back at it again with another banger for y'all. We out here fishing for some striped bass at Lake Pleasant. We got a special guest here.
Yerp, Nash.
It's Nash, my homie. Let's go.
Boys.
Let's go, buddy. Nash just caught one.
I'm spitting everywhere.
Reel this puppy
There he
in.
is. Oh boy.
Oh.
It's a catter. It's a catter.
Let's go.
It's a big catter.
Hey, we'll make some chicken nuggets out of that.
Oh, that's a big cat.
Let's
No,
go, buddy
I
Nash.
just catters.
Buddy Nash just caught a big old catfish. We gotta cook them up.
Big cat.
Get some nuggets.
Oh, he just broke my hook.
Damn, good thing
Hey,
we eat.
good thing we're eating them. Yeah. Oh yeah. Welcome to Lake Pleasant, boys.
Hey,
Look
good
at the
job,
size
buddy
of that
Nash.
fucker.
Just caught our first striper. Just caught our first ever striped bass. Let's go. Hey, ChuckCatch'EmAll back at it again. We got our second fish. This is a big guy. Go. Second.
Another striper.
ChuckCatch'EmAll back at it again. Third fish of the day. Let's go, boys. We just doubled up. Had our 2 poles in there. And we got a third one strung in the water. We're gonna go ahead and release this guy. He's a little too small for meat, but this guy's a little bigger. So we're gonna keep this guy up in the cooler. And we're gonna go ahead and release this guy. There he goes.